Looking for reliable computer repair in Sparta, North Carolina? Whether your computer is running slow, won't turn on, has a virus, or you're struggling with Wi-Fi problems, BPS Tech Assist is here to help. We provide friendly, dependable computer repair and IT support for homeowners, retirees, remote workers, and small businesses throughout Sparta and the surrounding communities. From computer tune-ups and virus removal to new computer setup, data transfers, printer configuration, and wireless network troubleshooting, our goal is simple: help you get your technology working the way it should. Instead of spending hours trying to solve frustrating computer problems on your own, let a trusted local professional take care of it for you. If you're searching for computer repair in Sparta, North Carolina, we're just a phone call away. Visit bpstechassist.com or call 3363-36-TECH to learn more. BPS Tech Assist, helping people, not just fixing computers.